is Shaina and I've been VMware for about 4 years right now. I work as a technical account manager and my favorite lab so far is the 6-7 introduction lab. I think it's good way that the customers get to know what to expect, what's new, and there's actually a challenge lab. So if you're going to go upgrade to 6-7, it's a great way to get started, see what issues you can run into. And then I'm actually working as a proctor at Hands-On Labs this year. This is my first year, and I am really excited about it. I think the entire program is really good, helping out the customers. It's a good segue for them to get introduced to the products that they have not used before, and they can see what they can use moving forward. So yeah, yay VMworld.